Hello guys, welcome back to ABS Tech channel guys. Once again, ABS present with another latest update videos about Polygon Matic guys. Guys, now from last 2 hours, a lot of people are talking, a lot of people are messages me about Polygon Matic because the price of Polygon start dumping. So now you know that when the price start dumping, so the holders, oh my god, unbelievable, holders are very shocked to see negative changes. So that's why a lot of people message me. My mobile is full of messages that make a video, what should we do, what's the prediction, what's the next move. So guys, finally I decide to make a video for my viewers, my subscriber. In this time guys, you know what, as you can see here, the last 1 hour update of Polygon is going negative 0.57%. So due to this negative, only last 60 minutes the price start dumping and people, a lot of people I found now trading volume is going negative. So that's a biggest mistake of holders guys, that they decide to sell just due to the last 60-minute changes. They decide to sell, and you know what? Also, that's possible that after 120 minutes the price start pumping guys. A lot of coin found that they start a quick jump, as you know, and yesterday Dogecoin start huge pump, so possibilities that Polygon also start pump after a 60-minute falls. So guys, never take a decision on the basis of last 1 hour. Let me show you. You can see right in the previous time Polygon Matic is in the huge positive mood, so that's mean that Polygon is a good coin for investment. And other side, now the price is also moving upward to USD dollar. I predicated in my previous videos, a 2 days ago video, I predicated Polygon that my target for Polygon is about 2 USD dollar. Can you believe that? Yes, obviously that's not a big target for Polygon. I believe that very soon Polygon price will be 2 USD dollar guys. Anyways guys, now on the basis of this update, I suggest for all of my viewers that it's time to hold, not to sell. What's your opinion? Share in the comment box. Don't forget to subscribe channel.